So let's bring everything together that we've looked at so far into a full-blown database search to answer the question, consider the possible impact of Brexit on UK trade and investment. We'll be doing this by using the Econ database once more. We'll make use of the search strings that we put together in section 4 of the search strategy tool, combining your keywords. This will serve as the input mechanism, so to speak, into our database search. So in the Econ database, we'll use each of these boxes for each of the concepts that we've discovered in our search strategy tool. So if we call up our search and take the first series of keywords, we just copy those and bring those into the first search box in the database, like so. We now have all the possible alternative keywords for impact within one box, using the OR and truncation to extend the net as far as we possibly can to get as many different words and word combinations back that describe impact. For the second search box, if we now take everything to do with Brexit, so if I just select this and put this into the second search box, and if I just move forward a little bit just to give a bit of room for the rest of this particular selection, we now have everything in the second search box that's going to look at every aspect of Brexit or the single market. So we've got every different term, including Brexit or hard Brexit or soft Brexit. And if I just move forward a little bit, or EU, European Union, single market, and exiting or leaving. So we now need to add the next concept, which is the United Kingdom or Great Britain. So again, we take all of the variations of this concept from our search strategy tool. So if I copy and put that into the third search box, go back again, and we'll take the last part here and put that into the search box as well. That just leaves us now to add trade, foreign direct investment, FDI or commerce, and we could add additional terms here too, but this just covers trade and investment for our search purposes. So if I copy that, go back to Econlit, we can now see that we're out of text boxes to add our concept keywords in. So if we just hit this plus sign, it can add another box. So we'll just paste these in. So we now have everything to do with impact, and everything to do with Brexit, and every term to do with the UK, and every term to do with trade, investment or FDI, just to start with. So if we now bring those all together and hit search, we can see that this has brought back a series of very useful looking results. So we've got the costs and benefits of leaving the EU, trade effects. What we can do now is to use some filters just to restrict this down a little more. So if we want scholarly or peer-reviewed articles, if we just click in this box here, that'll restrict it down to 30. We can maybe go from 2014 to 2017. And that brings it down a little more. So again, we can also restrict by language for English. So we can see now how this has brought back some useful and interesting references that we can use in answering this particular question. So that's basically how we pull everything that we've developed during the search strategy process and putting it into a database to run a search to bring back results that will hopefully answer our question.